We are sailing here in ang boto man dyan? Shooting Star. Thank you so much also, boss.
Okay.
So on board here.
Hey?
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Always, yep. And Captain Helming. What is your name again?
Kirsty.
Kirsty. Wow. Thank you, Kirsty. Captain Kirsty. Good start. And after start, but not no wind. Very slowly. And thank you so much, Captain Kirsty. Alright. Nice helming. We are here rounding the mark. Very slow. Very light wind. Very nice. Wow. Good boat. Wow. Very close. Very close to my way. Yan na mga idol. And they have a beautiful captain on the boat. Yan, sailing in Sydney Harbor. Beautiful. No pressure now. Alright, thank you so much. Isang like at share lang ang akin. Yep, kami. Skirt. Okay. Surrounding also.